have seen something epic. He is Brock Lesnar. Look at this. Please, I hope you can see it. It's so crazy. He's stretching out like crazy. Oh my!
Glitch Madness! This is Darius from his YouTube channel, Darius Goslowski and Isaiah Cole. This is our YouTube channel, and well, my YouTube channel, but this ain't going on my YouTube channel. Oh my god, look at Brock Lesnar's legs! Oh my god! Oh
This is
my...
glitched out like crazy.
This is madness. Oh my god! Oh my god, close that up, get close for him. Oh my gosh.
This happened because Darius got assaulted by Brock Lesnar viciously. He like just started punching this side,
I'm going
glitching
to the
out.
ring. I'm out of here.
That's glitch madness. Hope we don't glitch again. He's not glitching. He's not glitching. Yeah, he's not glitching.
Alright, let's just finish the video.
Alright. This is glitch madness. See you later.